Are you looking for the top 5 best DJI alternative drones? Searching for the best DJI alternative drone? You're not alone. Many of us want high-quality aerial shots without breaking the bank. Here are the 5 best options I found, and one you should definitely avoid. Product number 1, Mini 4K. Let's kick things off with the Mini 4K. This drone, priced at $299, caught my attention with its impressive specs and beginner-friendly features. If you want cinematic quality footage without the hefty price tag, this is worth a serious look. Here's why the Mini 4K could be your next favorite gadget. It boasts 4K Ultra HD resolution, allowing you to capture stunning videos and photos while maintaining clarity even when zoomed in. This means you can identify a face from 30 feet away, which is crucial for those breathtaking landscape shots or family events. Plus, with a maximum flight time of 31 minutes, you won't have to worry about constantly recharging it. And let's not forget the 3-axis gimbal stabilization that ensures smooth footage, even in windy conditions up to 38 kph. That's a real game changer for capturing those sunset shots. Now, some users have mentioned the absence of the DJI Fly app on Google Play, which can be a hassle for quick access. Here's the thing though, you can still download the app directly from DJI's website, so it's not a deal breaker if you're willing to do a little extra legwork. This drone is perfect for you if you're a beginner looking for high-quality aerial shots without the need for FAA registration, but skip this one if you're looking for advanced features that cater to experienced pilots. Overall, for $299, it offers fantastic value for money. Now, if the Mini 4K's limited app access bothers you, the next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Mini 3 Fly More Combo. Next up is the Mini 3 Fly More Combo. While I didn't get a price point for this one, it's worth considering as it brings a lot to the table for those eager to explore aerial photography. If you're after incredible battery life and stunning imagery, this drone is definitely one to look at. The Mini 3 features 4K HDR video capability and can shoot in true vertical mode, making it perfect for those Instagram-perfect shots of tall buildings or landscapes. You get up to 114 minutes of total flight time with the Fly More combo, thanks to its 3 included batteries. That means longer adventures without the constant worry of landing early. It also handles winds up to 38 kph, so you can still fly it on breezy days. However, some users have noted that its lightweight design can feel less sturdy in harsher conditions, but honestly, for most casual flyers, this shouldn't be a major concern unless you're in extreme weather. This drone is perfect for content creators who value convenience and extended flying time. If you're not keen on the weight limit regulations though, you might want to think twice. Overall, it provides solid features for the price. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want enhanced features. Product number 3, Mini 3 DJI RC. The third option is the Mini 3 DJI RC. This drone is similar to the last, but has a few tweaks that make it stand out. While I don't have a specific price for it, its features could justify the investment if you want something lightweight yet powerful. With its 4K HDR video capabilities and 38-minute flight time, this drone is built for those who want quality footage without the hassle. Plus, the 10-kilometer video transmission means you can explore vast landscapes without losing connection. It's designed for beginners too, offering features like GPS auto return and one-button takeoff. That's a huge relief for anyone just starting out. Some users have pointed out that its camera might not perform as well in low light compared to some competitors. But here's the thing, if you're mainly shooting during daylight or at sunset, this won't be a significant issue. This drone is perfect for beginners who want reliability and ease of use. However, experienced pilots might find it lacking in more advanced features. Overall, for the quality you get, it's a smart choice. Now, if you're looking for something a bit different, our next recommendation is a controller that can enhance your flying experience. Product number 4, Mini 3. Moving on to the Mini 3, this one's priced at $429 and is designed for those who want a solid all-rounder without going full pro. If you want a compact drone that can handle a variety of situations, this one's worth checking out. This Mini 3 offers all the essentials: 4K HDR video, a 38 km/h wind resistance rating, and a lightweight design. The impressive 10 km video transmission is a notable feature, giving you peace of mind while flying. With creative shooting modes and beginner-friendly controls, it's ideal for anyone wanting to kickstart their aerial photography journey. On the downside, its price point might feel high for those just dabbling in drone flying. But honestly, if you're serious about capturing quality footage and having fun while doing it, it's a worthwhile investment. This is perfect for you if you're someone who values quality and innovation in your aerial shots. But if you're looking for a budget option, you might want to explore alternatives. Overall, it represents a decent balance of features and price. If that didn't quite fit your needs, the final product is a controller that could change your flying game. Product number 5. FPV Remote Controller 3. Finally, let's talk about the FPV Remote Controller 3. This one's priced at $189 and is crucial if you're looking to enhance your drone flying experience. If you want more control and compatibility with various simulators, this is a must-have. With its integrated antenna design and adjustable control sticks, the FPV Remote Controller 3 makes piloting easy and intuitive. It's engineered for DJI O4 video transmission, allowing for a smoother flying experience. Plus, it's compatible with a variety of simulators, making it excellent for practice. Some users have mentioned that it might take some time to get used to the layout, which can be frustrating. But I'll be real with you, once you get accustomed to it, the level of control you gain is absolutely worth it. This controller is perfect for intermediate to advanced pilots who want to refine their skills. But if you're a complete beginner, you might find it a bit overwhelming initially. Overall, for $189, it's a solid investment for those serious about their flying. Now let's wrap things up and see how these drones stack up against each other. After reviewing these 5 drones, it's clear there's an option for everyone. The Mini 4K is great for beginners on a budget, while the Mini 3 Fly More combo offers extended flight time for more adventurous outings. The Mini 3 DJI RC balances features and performance, and the FPV Remote Controller 3 is essential for those looking to upgrade their flying skills. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the Mini 3 Fly More combo because of its unbeatable battery life and ease of use for beginners. Avoid the Mini 4K if you're looking for advanced features. It's more suited for casual flyers. I've put all the links in the description below. Check them out and let me know in the comments which one you're going with.